Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's tip is to get yourself something to write on and write with, and get a list of the postures or movements or steps in your form, your choreography. I'm guessing you likely already have that, maybe close at hand. I know for me it's something I always would have in my duffel bag, where I had a notebook and some papers, for going to the dojang. Towel, water, med kit, change of clothes, that sort of thing. Probably a bunch of weapons as I think of it. Anyway, the idea is to get that list and presume that you're going to be teaching. So this doesn't matter if you've been doing this for 3 months or 13 years, whether you already teach or not. But get that list and then append it, right, with or write a sister list, to match. So move one. Here's what I'm going to do, and the idea is to write what initial teachings you would aim or you do aim to convey in the teaching of a given move, right? So of course there's how to do the move or what the name of the move is or maybe the application of the move. Fine. But I mean, like, what is it that why am I teaching this move now? Of course, I'm teaching this move now because it follows the move we did last week. I know that. But what am I trying to convey here? Is it a felt experience? Is it a reinforcement of an earlier argument? Is it a new principle? Is it a concept? Write those down and have that last, and then reconsider that list occasionally. I find it's a really helpful thing to make sure that I know where I am and I'm teaching and people are actually getting a coherent curriculum. So thank you for that, and let's stick those principles. They stick to us.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.